Right now, the sentiment around regulation is sitting at a steady zero, but what's striking is the momentum drop of -0.56 over the past 24 hours. This isn't just a minor dip. It's a significant shift compared to historical trends, where we typically see more volatility in sentiment scores. You might want to dig into the implications of this unusual stagnation in sentiment, especially with only one semantic cluster indicating limited discussion on the topic. Our API returns detailed insights, giving you the ability to track sentiment shifts in real time, complete with momentum metrics. Imagine using this data in your compliance tool to preemptively identify when regulation sentiment might impact your strategy. To get started integrating this into your workflow, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. We're here to help you leverage these insights effectively.